Hey, welcome back everybody. This is George with you at the Volo Auto Museum, and today I have a special virtual test drive for you with the 1948 Lincoln Continental Cabriolet. This blast from the past is a beauty. I love the blue on red and the detail, even the little ashtrays have the blue on it. This vehicle is absolutely stunning. As I'm doing the walkthrough, if you haven't already, go ahead and click subscribe on the YouTube channel, turn on notifications so you get updated anytime Jay or myself does a video. And then when we're done with this test drive, go on over to volocars.com where you get to see the 100 or so extra pics of this beauty, and then the detailed write-up, the pricing, and then give sales department a call. I love these older cars. One of the features I like most is the push button just to open the door. Pops right open. The interior looks great. I'm not seeing any tears or anything. You can tell people sat in it, but it just makes it that much more comfortable. This one is your 3 on the tree stick. An awesome part about this too is how you start it. So the key's over to the right, it comes out, it goes in, go to the left, pull it out, and then it has a push button start. Engine is just super quiet. You have your fuel gauge, all the other, battery, engine temp, fuel. You have your speedometer. The clock I don't see is working, but it still looks great. The radio does not work, but I wouldn't even worry about that. This car is almost 80 years old. Just awesome. All right, this is the first time any of us get a chance to take it on the road. And the purpose of this is, for one, me in the shop to get kind of a sense of how it's running, and then also the potential buyers to see how it runs. If you want the more detailed front to back, top to bottom, engine to trunk, watch Jay's video and read the write-ups. He takes care of all of that, because I don't know when this was restored, but it was done incredibly. So let's cruise around and see what this could do. I love the 3 on the tree. It just screams nostalgia. Car handles great. Over 70 years old, and only that much play in the steering wheel. Awesome. This is definitely one that I'd want to go cruising around in just all day, showing it off. The engine it purrs. It's not too loud, not too soft. It sounds awesome. This is a bumpy road. I'm hearing no rattles, no clanks. And our cars turn heads, but when people see cars from the 40s, they really stop to look. Handles great. Like I said, the seat is really comfortable. The interior, I'm not finding anything wrong with it. Starting to sprinkle a bit. So this isn't a race car, so I'm not going to be getting on it like that, but still want to show that it can get up to speed, cruise comfortably. 150. Just cruising around is sweet right now. Oh, I love this car. And unless you live in a very special place, you're going to be the only one with a car like this. Steers easy too. One of the reasons these big old wheels, steering wheels, they really come in handy. Waiting for our friends here to go. Just like that, I'm already going 45. So this thing definitely has some guts to it as well. All in all, a beautiful car. You can still use it for cruising around. It's not just a pony queen or a trailer queen. It's like, it's everything you could ever want in a 1940s car. The class, the drivability, it's just awesome. So I hope that you enjoyed this as much as I did. Like I said, click subscribe on the YouTube channel, turn on the notifications so you get updated, and then head on over to volocars.com for all the extra information on this. As always, I appreciate you.